Hey guys, so today I will be making a video, but do you know I'm making a video? But I'm playing Roblox. Yeah, I'm playing Roblox, and it's the Be Crushed by the Speeding Wall. As you guys could see, I am making a video. Oh my god, these headphones. As you can see, I am making a video called Because Personal. If y'all ever play Roblox, comment down below. And I know my hair is messy. I'm in the dark. I know, but God, I'm about to turn on the light. Hold on. Yeah, I am, and I'm gonna just do it. I'm doing it right now. Oh my god. Yeah. But let me show you. This girl stopped me asking if I was making a video. I was like, why you asked that? And she's like, um, I just want to say hey to the video. I'm like, what did you say? She tried to say, and after that she said vid. And yeah, what is guys? What is all this? Now they know. They know better not to do this. In the speed, in the speeding wall. Are you kidding me? And they know we are making. Y'all. These people. And like, what is these people doing? Yet I'm like, no. Are you kidding me? I'm really, hold on. Step on, press the button, get to a safe zone. You earn points and how you gonna say don't die? How could they have, how will we avoid this? Hold on, let me see. Because the last time I got up in here, I had to go all the way to the winners. Let me see. Why is this She really? Oh my god. Alright, let me tell I'm making the video, because y'all had to move it. Move it to down here. She asked, hold on, let me. Alright. Y'all, I have to eat, but I'm gonna still make the video. Okay, I'm coming, James. I'm coming. Ooh, he get him on her spot. I'm coming now. Gosh. Go tell Granny I'm coming. You go eat. I ate a burger. That's what I ate. I ate a burger. Can you put it? I'm making a vid. Say hi. Every. Granny, I'm gonna eat later.
No, because when I clean up the kitchen, that's it.
Because I already ate a burger and
that was when you got out of school. I'm finna clean up and I'm finna lay down.
Yeah, I can make it.
No, here you go right here. You eat it lay down. You warm it up.
Okay. So y'all, I did it earlier. So let me just turn on this light. Cause, alright. Sorry I had to get interrupted. But y'all, these people is like, why is nobody saying hi? Don't they believe I'm making a video? Oh, one just said hi. Hold on. Are they really doing hit or miss? Oh my god, hold on to me. They are doing hit or miss. I'm like, why are they doing hit or miss? Ooh, he came out of nowhere. I'm like, if y'all saw that, then comment down below if you saw that. Ooh, shoot. You saw that? I'm not going to no VIP. I'm going to pause the video right quick. Oh my god. These people are... Alright. This said a mother girl. What is a mother girl? Somebody tell me in the comment below and tell me what a mother girl is. And y'all see it right there. It is right there on Gabriella, whoever her name is. Gabriella. He's gonna find a mother girl. What is that? I like hit or miss, but I don't like when they like singing it, cause every time they bully. I don't know why they bully, but they need to stop that bullying. Cause when somebody punch him in the face, they're gonna be looking like a chicken with his face mushed in. But yeah, so guys, I hope you just enjoying, yeah. But I'm not done with the video yet, not yet. So I'ma just start being. Hold on to me. Need to put this over here. Let me just jump and hit jump. Oh no, I mean to do that. Oh, keys. This a wall? If this a wall, then all right. Yeah. No. Oh my god, I really couldn't do this. So oof. Yeah. Oof. Y'all, I'm trying really hard, and I hope my balloon don't pop. Ah! It popped! No! I wanted to pop! It popped! Somebody is singing hit or miss. Who in the name of Jesus is that? Princess and says Destiny. But she need to stop singing hit or miss, because I don't want that hit or miss stuff in there. No. I want it in her. So I don't know what they talk about, but I don't want that hit or miss stuff. I do not want that hit or miss stuff up in my videos, so dump it in there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you liked it. And I promise you I'm making another video. So bye bye. Push it. Bye. Push. Hold on. Push.